Hello and welcome to this Compliance Pod video. In this video, I want to talk about Jenny. Now Jenny's a facilities manager. Her priority is the health, the safety and the well-being of all staff and students. Whilst Jenny has extensive knowledge of what needs to take place across our imaginary large secondary academy, she needs to know that anything requiring inspection, servicing and checking is completed on time and any issues that arise are being reported. Currently, this involves the use of paper records, a whiteboard, a spreadsheet or, if she uses one of our competitors, software that requires you to create and then run reports to check things manually. Time is valuable. It takes a large amount of Jenny's time to run those reports and gather paperwork and maintain a huge spreadsheet. If Jenny leaves or is away from work, nobody knows where the paperwork is kept, where the spreadsheet is, or how to use the software. If you can't present evidence that you've completed the statutory task and the worst was to happen, you can face huge fines and legal action. The health, the safety and the well-being of the entire school population is the priority and it's at risk. In Compliance Pod, we've worked with schools for years. We know how things work in schools. That's why Compliance Pod works for you to make things easier and automatically. As you can see here, when the building evacuation wasn't done, if a task hasn't been completed in the time frame that you expect, you are notified. When the daily escape routes and fire door inspection was completed and an issue was identified, a reactive task has been generated. The relevant staff has been assigned and a due date for completion has been added. All of this was automatic. So what if a member of staff leaves and a new member of staff starts? Our group feature simplifies continuity and allows you to add and remove staff members in a few clicks. Now the new staff member is part of the group responsible for completing tasks and having reactive tasks assigned to them. It really is that easy. We can also add additional staff to Jenny's management team in the same few clicks. Now when Jenny's away from work, all the notifications that Jenny ordinarily receives are also being sent to somebody else. Thanks for watching and get in touch today if you want to see how Compliance Pod can help you and your organisation.